This video will show you how to get more kills in solo leveling Arise. To have more kills in solo leveling is that you should focus on DPS hunters. It prioritizes high leveling up high damage characters like Jinwoo, Igris, or So Jiwoo. Their skills clear mobs fast and burst down bosses efficiently. Next is to maximize skill rotation. Use your highest damage skills first, cancel basic attacks to chain skills quickly, and keep enemies stunned or airborne to prevent counterattacks. Another tip is to gear up smart. Equip sets that boost crit rate, attack, attack speed, or elemental damage. Upgrade your gear regularly and don't forget the runes. They can massively boost skill impact. Next is positioning is the key. Don't just charge in. Kite enemies into um, narrow spaces to hit more with AoE skills and dodge roll to avoid getting stunned or juggled. Also, learn the patterns, memorize enemy attack patterns, and anticipation is equal to survival, survival is equal to more skills. And lastly, some bonus is that summon shadows or allies strategically to split aggro and clean up stragglers.